Hello. I would like to show you how to focus on modeling one item. You can isolate uh, objects in the scene when you have separate objects like balcony, window, or even the roof. You can isolate selection. Today I will show you two ways how to isolate selection. Oh, I forgotten to check. Okay, balcony fence, balcony. You can either do like that object, so hide unselected. How hidden. You can even see shortcut keywords. Another way of doing that is when you add collection, uh, use balcony. Or forgive me, because I don't know how you write it down in English. Balcony, this phase, fence. Okay, you can use option local collections. When you select this, everything else will be hidden, but you can unhide once again everything. This is a very quick way of doing this. But this speed things up. You can also do like that. Depending how many objects you have in the collections. I hope you like my video tutorial and see you have a nice day, guys.